Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 and 10 Spotlight not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type a run and open a run command, and after that type a percentage local app data and percentage. After that click OK. Go to your these three dots, go to your options, click on views, show more, and make sure that the hidden items is checked. So check the hidden items. After doing this step, find out our packages. Now here is the packages. After doing this step, find out a Microsoft Windows Content Delivery Management. Now here is a Microsoft Windows Content Delivery Management. So open it. After doing this step, go to your local state. After that, go to your assets, and after doing this step, delete all these file and folders. Go back. After doing this step, go to your settings and delete all file and folders. After doing this step, close it. In the search box, type a PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell, right click, run as administrator. After doing this step, copy command from the video description and paste it and press enter. After completing type exit and exit the PowerShell. And after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.